Welcome to this particular tutorial. Please, if you want to know how to create mobile application, it's a lucrative business. Check the description for my course. You will see my course link there. I make money on mobile app every month. And if you learn how to create one, you also make money. What you just need to do is make sure you come up with a good idea, and since I've learned how to create a mobile app, it will not be difficult for you to create a mobile app that will be accepted by people. You can see this one is still downloading packages. So mobile application is good. There is one thing I used to tell my students, because I have many students. Don't say that, oh, this niche is saturated. There's no niche that is saturated. Just come up with your own idea. As you are, you can still create your mobile app today, and tomorrow it will become it will be a talk of the town. I mean, nothing stops you from being great. Just find the right path, and once you have the blessing, sky is your limit. So that is it. So you can create mobile app today, and you'll be surprised how far it's going to go. When I created the direct recharge, it was born out of accident. I was just trying to figure out something, and today, within 2 years, it has more than 100,000 downloads. So that's just one of those things. So I will advise you, if you finish watching this video, to get ready to create mobile app. You must create something, no matter how little it is. Even if you don't have an account on the Play Store, there's other store like Palm Store where you can upload your mobile app and start making your money. So I hope you understand. So we continue waiting for the mobile app. There's the Android Studio to finish downloading all the components it requires. Once it downloads finish, we're good to go, and then we'll start creating our mobile app. I'm going to show you how you can make a simple app, but if you want to know the detail, please check on the description of this video. I promise you, within 2-3 months you'll be an expert in mobile application development. We'll continue. So let's wait for it to download finish. Once it's done downloading, we're good to go. So looking at it here now, they were good to go as I finished downloading.